Coach Leland here of Aiga Performance, and I'm here with Coach Lawson. Thank you for tuning in to our core stability series. These exercises focus on minimal to no movement of the lumbar pelvic area. The exercise we're going to be covering today is the front plank or floor plank. Today, go ahead and get into position. Alright, so what we're focusing on is trying to minimize the movement of the pelvic area. We want the entire spine to stay neutral. So the neck and head are neutral, the pelvic is in a neutral position, and we want to focus on creating as much tension as possible. So we're going to drive the heels back, put some tension through the calves, take the slack out, we're going to fire the glutes, and we're going to squeeze the quads, and then pull that belly button up towards the spine. Common errors that are made during this exercise is butt in the air, okay? Getting too far forward on the tippy toes, dropping the head, getting too much wing in the air in the scapula, and too much protraction. Okay, so we want to make sure we avoid those common mistakes and keep the focus on the pelvic area.